Welcome back to how to work a capsule wardrobe, how to build a beautiful wardrobe customized to your body shape and to your budget and your lifestyle, because these are the basic building blocks to that very closet. Style is just a skill, and these are the ingredients and the tools, much like building a house that needs a blueprint, or baking that cake, or cooking that special meal of yours. Building a wardrobe is no different. There's a recipe, there are ingredients, and there is a how to mix and match a kind of methodology. So if you missed any of the previous ones, by all means go back and start at the beginning. Today we are hitting numbers 10, 11, and 12 of my 30-piece capsule wardrobe, and it's all about simplicity. This is not high-end stuff. This is not high fashion. I'm a Zara girl. I'm a high street girl. I'm someone who likes quality over quantity. It must be simple. It must be stylish. It must be comfortable. You do not have to choose between comfort and style. So ditch that mindset already. Style is just a skill. We are on to the next item, which is number 10, the wool coat. Doesn't matter where you live in the world, some point at some time it's going to get cool enough that you're going to need a nice, beautiful, classy coat. Now, if you live in the UK or certain parts of North America or certain parts of Europe or elsewhere where it gets really cold, you're going to want two. I lived in the UK for 17 years. I had two really beautiful, different looking, but good quality coats that served me for years and years and years. So at number 10 is the wool coat. Don't go for black. Don't go for the usual color. Don't go for something that is just warm. You can be warm and comfortable and stylish at the same time. Gray is very, very versatile. Taupe, stone, kind of like beautiful caramel colors are also very, very versatile. Remember, your wool coat is something that you're going to wear outside. You're not going to wear it indoors all the time. It's going to go over what you're going to be wearing mostly indoors for that dinner or that meeting or work or that visit or whatever it is. And it's going to be something that on its own makes a style statement. You want to go for something that draws you in, but remember to work with some of the staple colors as well. So black will always be back. So if you want to go for black, by all means do, but then you've got to just step up your game when it comes to style a little bit. So go for something, maybe some detail on the shoulders, or beautiful bigger bow when you wrap yourself together in that coat, or maybe there's some detail at the back. I used to have a beautiful black, very strong military dipped in the back on the hem coat years ago, which I absolutely loved. I've got a picture of myself in Central Park in New York in winter from years ago, which still to me, I'm like, that is such a fantastic shot. I think I was in my early 30s, and that coat was just, I loved it. And so you want to go for something that makes you feel absolutely stylish and beautiful and warm when you put it on. Whether you're putting it over a suit and you're suited and booted and you're going to work, whether you put it on over a beautiful sweater or a turtleneck with some bootleg jeans and boots. You can always finish it off with a dash of bold on the lips, some nice accessories, maybe a statement ring here and there. You don't need a lot for this to look good. What you usually need to do is spend a little bit more on this item. So it's quality over quantity. Yes, you can have that big, thick black parka if it really snows where you are and it gets really cold. That also can be a stylish coat, but this one is a beautiful, classy, feminine, strong, stylish style statement. Keeps you warm, you're comfortable, and it looks good as well. All right, next up. One of my favorite pieces of all time is blazing a trail with the blazer. So Zara is my go-to for blazers. Easy to find, all kinds of different colors, different styles, oversized, long, short, cropped, etc. You may need more than somebody else who maybe is a stay-at-home mom or who is semi-retired. Everybody needs a blazer. And do me a favor, if you are a cardigan kind of girl, say thank you and goodbye to that. Do you know how quickly you can instantly upgrade your personal style by replacing your cardi with a blazer? Like that, you look like you have upped your personal style game, and all you've done is you've changed one item. Cardigans, the exception for me is I have a maxi cardi, which is navy. It's right down to my ankles. I wear it with these brown boots and a little cami, and then I've got my skinny jeans on, or my bootleg jeans, and I've got that, and I put on some layered necklaces, and that maxi cardi, which I roll up here. Normally I put layers underneath that. It looks chunky, it's nice, it's a great London look, it's easy to wear, it's comfortable, and it's warm if you're between seasons. But a cardigan, the regular cardigan that sits here, is just, come on man, you're better than that, okay? You've got plenty of time when you're 97 years old to wear a cardigan, and even then I'm going to challenge you and say, like, really? You've been not wearing a cardigan for 17 years, so now why start now? Okay. So the blazer comes in all kinds of different shapes, sizes, and colors. I probably have over a dozen blazers. I'm a business owner. I have lots of Zoom meetings, I travel. A blazer is an instant upgrade to a plain t-shirt and jeans or t-shirt and skinnies and tennis shoes outfit. The easiest way to doll up a plain outfit is to put on a blazer. What you do want to check is that it is nice and tailored and it fits you well. Make sure it's not baggy on the shoulders. Make sure that if you are a little bit shorter than average, that it's not coming right down above your knees, because sometimes the oversized long look, which comes in and out from time to time, does that. And if you're very, very short and you don't know how to work it, it can make you look a little bit frumpy. And the word of the day, as always, is play. Go and try a few blazers on and see what you like and see what you feel good in. When it comes to your clothes, they've got a job to do. They're there to make you feel good, to empower you to get up, dress up, and go and have a productive, powerful, positive, profitable day. All right, and finishing off is at number 12, our skinny jeans. Now, there is an ongoing debate, and always has been, as to should every woman be able to wear skinny jeans. My answer to that is yes. It's not the what, but often the how. How you wear something. Now, you need to know what your body shape is. If you need help with that, drop me a comment below or join our free community at school.com. I can help you. It's not difficult. Once you know how, you'll go, oh my gosh, how did I dress myself without knowing this before? Style is just a skill. But when it comes to skinny jeans, it's not just the what, it's the how as well. It's what you wear on top. It's how you finish it off. It's what you're wearing at the bottom. If you need to make it look chunkier at the bottom to balance out, maybe you've got broad shoulders, maybe you carry more of your shape and your weight at the top. There are ways to wear skinny jeans, but I think skinny jeans look good on every shape. I've not yet come across a size or a shape or an age or a style or a look of a woman that I haven't been able to put into skinny jeans and have her look good. Again, quality over quantity, as with everything. That is the rule of thumb when it comes to your closet. And you want to go for medium or dark blue denim. This is a medium blue denim, and I go for medium or dark blue. I'm not a big fan of gray or black or light blue denim because it can look a little bit scruffy really easily. You really have to be smart with it to make sure that you're not looking scruffy. If I want to doll up this outfit, I can put on a blazer. I've got my skinny jeans on, I've got my boots on, and instantly I just feel a little more put together, a little sharper. A black blazer. Here's one of my favorites. I love this. Fits nicely on my shoulders. I've had this for years and years. Nicely structured and tailored. I would layer my long sleeve top underneath a little bit, let it stick out a little bit for a little bit of extra personality. If you want to sharpen it up even more, you replace your skinny jeans with either a nice pair of bootleg jeans with some heels. Either some nude heels will be great, even a pair of red heels like this. So if you want to really sharpen it up, take some high-waisted wide leg pants up and take this, tuck it in nicely, also with some red heels, dash of bold on your lips, and you're good to go. But can you see instantly how the blazer just takes it up a notch? You need at least 3 or 4 blazers in your closet, and especially if you work from home. Don't you be getting onto those Zoom calls dressed in a nice top and hair and makeup from the waist up, and then you like sloppy Joe from the belly button down. No, you're better than that. If you want authenticity in your life, you need to be authentic. Give authenticity. Would you dress that way if your client was coming to your house that day to meet with you? No, you wouldn't. So dress as if your client were coming to meet with you in your home. My list of recommended brands is available here, or go and grab it from a previous series. You're so welcome to have a look. There are 36 brands, many to choose from as to where to go for your blazers. And if you're stuck and you don't know where to go, Zara is all over the world. It's one of the wealthiest, most successful brands on the planet. Go online or in store and go and try on a good few blazers. I do suggest that you start with black or navy. Navy is much more versatile, I find, than black. Then you can go from there, you can go to a gray, then you can go to maybe beautiful tan, brown, taupe kind of color. From there you can go floral, you can go red, you can hot pink, whatever blows your hair back. All right, and that wraps up this round of the capsule wardrobe. These are just basic building blocks. If you haven't yet, then go back to the beginning and catch the first, and second, and third series. This is series number 4, working our way through with 3 pieces at a time to the end of the 30 items that make up a blueprint, the recipe for how to build a beautiful closet based on your body shape, your budget, and your lifestyle. I want to help you to stop wasting time and money on shopping and having a closet full of clothes yet nothing to wear. Style is just a skill. Fashion is an extension of you and its expression of you. It is a confidence booster. It is a language all of its own. When you walk into a room or into a Zoom meeting, what are you saying through what you're wearing? Because you are saying something. Do you even know what it is? What you wear says a lot without you saying a word. So you may as well be intentional about it. You may as well learn how to say something really positive and powerful, because the science is out there, friend. What you wear is either going to attract or repel people and opportunities into or out of your life. Feel free to drop me a comment below, ask me your questions, or join us in school.com. It's a free community. We share our fashion finds. We talk about boobs and bras and blazers and menopause and all of that good stuff that we women get to deal with on a daily basis. You have a spirit of beauty and you are called to arise and shine. I'll see you on the other side.